Sashikal, welcome. Today we are going to see some questions from breathing and exchange of gases. So let's get started. Lungs are made up of airful sacs, the alveoli. They do not collapse even after forceful expiration because of residual volume. I have made a video on this topic. The link is in the description. Reduction pH of blood will reduce the rate of heartbeat. It's heartbeat. Blood supply to the brain decrease. Yeah, it's decrease the affinity of hemoglobin with oxygen. Name the chronic respiratory disorder caused mainly by cigarette smoking. For cigarette smoking, it's emphysema. Asthma may be attributed to its allergic reactions. Asthma is an allergic reaction in the lungs of the mast cells in the lungs. Yeah, it is much easier for a small animal to run uphill than for a large animal because small body weight, higher metabolic rate, low rotor requirement, efficiency of muscles. So with small animals have a high metabolic rate. Name the pulmonary disease in which alveolar surface area involved in gas exchange is drastically reduced due to damage in the alveolar walls. This is caused due to cigarette smoking. So for cigarette smoking, the disorder is emphysema. Moving to question number 7. When you hold your breath, which of the following gas changes in blood would first lead to the urge to breathe? Okay. O2 concentration has no job to do with the alteration of breathing. So it's obviously CO2 concentration. Logically, it's not falling CO2 concentration, it's rising CO2 concentration. So option 4. Approximately 70% of carbon dioxide absorbed by the blood will be transported to the lungs as bicarbonate ions. The figure shows a diagrammatic view of human respiratory system. So the correct identification. B is pleural membrane surround drips on both sides to provide cushion against rubbing. No, it's not cushion. A is trachea, long tube supported by complete cartilaginous rings. No, it's incomplete cartilaginous rings. D is lower in lungs here. Diaphragm pulls it down during inspiration. Diaphragm muscles contract during inspiration. No, it becomes flat. So no. C is alveoli, thin-walled vascular bag-like structures for exchange or change of gases. So it's option 1 is convincing. The majority of carbon dioxide produced by our body cells is transported to the lungs as it's bicarbonates. Which one of the so which one of the following statement is incorrect? The principle of countercurrent flow facilitates efficient respiration gulls of fishes. Yes, the residual air in lungs slightly decreases the efficiency of respiration in mammals. Yeah. The presence of non-respiratory air sacs increase the efficiency of respiration in birds. Yes, because of this residual air, our lungs, without these residual air, our lungs would collapse. In insects, circulating body fluids serve to distribute oxygen to tissues. Okay, now in insects, blood, which is also called as hemolymph, has no oxygen carrying pigment, so it does not help in respiration. Insects have spiracles and tracheas, so that carry O2 to different tissues. Take a look at this. So this. See, these are spiracles, and the tracheal system, spiracles, and the main tracheal channels. Okay, these are spiracles. So according to question, the correct option is 4. People living at sea level have around 5 million RBC per cubic millimeter of their blood, whereas those living at an altitude of 5,400 meters have around 8 million. This is because at high altitude, people eat more nutritive food, people get pollution-free air, atmospheric PO2 level is less. Yeah. Option 3 is convincing. Blood analysis of a patient reveals an unusually high quantity of carboxyhemoglobin content. Which one of the following conclusions is most likely to be correct? The patient has been inhaling polluted air containing unusually high content of carbon monoxide. Yeah. For carboxyhemoglobin, it's carbon monoxide. Carbaminohemoglobin, it's carbon dioxide. When CO2 concentration in blood increases, breathing becomes faster and deeper. An average person not doing hard work requires energy per day about 2,800 kilocalories. This is called kilocalories. So this is called routine metabolic rate or RMR. So the next question. What is true about RBCs in humans? They carry about 20 to 25% of CO2, 99 Yeah, 99.5% of O2, no, it's 97% of O2, 80% of oxygen only, and 20% of the transport, no, only 3% of transport oxygen is transported in blood plasma. They do not carry CO2 at all. Yes, they do. That's called carbaminohemoglobin. So the correct answer is option one. What is vital capacity of a lungs? Okay, expiratory reserve volume plus a no. Yeah, it's total lung capacity minus residual volume. The hemoglobin of a human fetus has only two protein subunits instead of four, has high affinity for oxygen than that of an adult. Yeah, the hemoglobin of a human fetus has a higher affinity for oxygen than that of an adult. Okay. Which one of the following is the correct statement for respiration in humans? Cigarette smoking may lead to Correct statement. Cigarette smoking may lead to the inflammation of bronchi. No, cigarette smoking is to be dealt with the emphysema. Neural signals from pneumotoxic center in pons region of brain can increase the duration of inspiration. No, it decreases the duration of inspiration. Workers in grinding and stone breaking industries may suffer from lung fibrosis. Yeah, that's correct. About 90% of CO2 is carried by hemoglobin is called hemoglobin. No, it's just 20 to 25%. So option 3. People who have migrated from the plains to an area adjoining Rowan Pass about 6 months back have more RBCs and their hemoglobin has a lower binding affinity to it or not physically fit to play games like first or foremost. So you have the usual RBC count, but your hemoglobin has very high bound. Yeah, you know, they have more RBCs in their hemoglobin. It's very simple. The figure given below shows a small part of human lung where exchange of gases takes place. Select the option which represents ABCD. Okay. A is alveolar cavity. Oh yeah, A is alveolar cavity. C is wrong. It's not arterial capillary. So B is red blood cells here. T is basement substance. Just refer your book. So thank God this picture is clear. Okay, so A is alveolar cavity. So option 2 is correct. A large proportion of oxygen remains unused in the human blood even after its uptake by the body tissues. Thus, O2 acts as a result during muscular exercise, raises the PCO2 of blood to 75. It's enough to keep oxyhemoglobin saturation as 96%, helps in releasing more O2 to the epithelial tissues. It acts as a result. Which one of the following is possibility for most of us in regard to breathing by making a conscious effort? One can moving the diaphragm alone. Bulk of carbon dioxide released from body tissues into the blood is present as it's present as bicarbonate in blood plasma. Listed below are 4 respiratory capacities and 4 jumbled respirators. This is a very easy question. You have to learn those topics. Option 3.